this video we are gonna unbox this Mi Band 2 HRX. Is essentially a bigger version of Mi Band 2, so it's the advanced version. We are gonna unbox it and overview it, and we are gonna review it after 2 days. So stay tuned and subscribe for that. We are watching Tech Unicorn channel. I'm Prakash. So let's begin the video. Subscribe to Tech Unicorn channel and then click the bell icon to get notified when I put a new video. So guys, as I said in this video, we are gonna unbox this Mi Band HRX. So see this, it's written MI here and it's written MI band and HRX edition. So see this price and all written here. So the price is 1790 rupees, and it says Bluetooth version, and it's again saying HRX version edition. So we are gonna unbox it. So we have to pull this off like this, and okay, it's fallen off, so we can see it here. And see, this is the display which we use to see the calories and all. So we can get this band, so it feels very different when this band is here. And you can see the manual. So apparently the manual does not want to come outside. Okay, game. And this is the manual. It is a long manual. I don't know why so small product and long manual. And okay, this is a charger. So let's look at the overview. So you can see the Mi Band display. So this is a nice display, and it is like, it's not having a normal clicky button. It's having a touch button, which is like you click and the settings change. You can see the time, steps, kilometers you walked, and what's the charge of the Mi Band 2. I mean Mi Band HRX. And like you can see the band, which is like, it's not good. I don't like it. For my preference, I don't like the rubbery stiff, and also I don't like it. And the charger is pretty good. Like I like the magnetic version they have implemented here, which is like you can plug it right in and it's good. And like the thing is, the magnetic heads plastic is which is cheap quality plastic that I don't like. So guys, I think you have liked this video. If you don't, give it a fat thumbs up and share this video. And if you want to connect me in this journey, you can click the round subscribe button. It's totally free. Click that and subscribe this channel, and you can see more content right here or right here. Click that and watch that. That's all for this video. Peace.